Haggai. Among its pages, the Book of Haggai emerges as a pivotal voice. Though small, its messages are mighty, echoing through time with a promise of restoration and greatness for the temple in Jerusalem. Let's journey back to the ancient world, to the time when the Hebrew Bible was taking shape. The 12, a collection of prophetic works, frames the narrative of Israel's complex relationship with God. Haggai, the 10th book, is a cornerstone in this saga. For years, prophets warned of Israel's covenant breaches, leading to Babylon's conquest in 587 BCE. Yet the story didn't end there. A remnant was to return, rebuild, and experience God's presence anew. Fast forward to 520 BCE, the exiles are back in Jerusalem, led by Joshua and Zerubbabel. The city is rising from the ashes, but Haggai sees beyond the immediate joy. Haggai's vision is not tinted with the same optimism as his contemporaries. He perceives a greater glory yet to unfold for the temple, one that surpasses its former splendor. His words are not just of rebuke, but of a profound hope that hinges on the people's faithfulness. The temple's future grandeur is promised, but it is contingent on the choices of the present generation. As Haggai's narrative draws to a close, it presents a dual prospect, a future filled with God's kingdom's glory and a choice that dangles before the people. Will they align with God's will? Is Zerubbabel the awaited king from David's line? These questions propel the reader forward towards Zechariah and Malachi in search of answers. Haggai's challenge is timeless, urging every generation to consider their role in God's unfolding plan. In essence, Haggai's message is a clarion call to faithfulness and the anticipation of a temple restored to greatness. It's a story of a people on the cusp of change, of a prophet who sees beyond the horizon, and of a God who promises a future where the temple stands as a beacon of hope and divine presence. As we reflect on Haggai's words, we're reminded that our choices have weight, and through them we participate in the narrative of hope that has been passed down through generations.